Hey everyone, it's Blood I'm back with another stuff. Today is Saturday, August 14th, and it's the morning time. It's roughly 7:50 a.m. Central Time. Obviously a little bit later than usual, but it's the weekend, guys, so chill out. Um, I took a little bit of a nap. Probably might take another nap even. Who knows? I might nap all day. You're not my boss. Anyways, guys, I've got some normal stuff to cover for you guys today. We've got Reddit, Spreadsheet, Omi price, and then we're going to go over some drop day stuff, and that's where we'll wrap it up right on there. So let's pop into it and let's get through it, guys. Let's go. First of all, Spreadsheet will be linked in the description down below. If you need to know the price of any Veve NFTs, you're going to want to come to the link in the description down below. We've got a ton of data on here. Please come check it out. The most recent prices are in column I. It's a column where the numbers are slightly larger. Also got a low mintage NFTs page and a 3 portfolio calculators where you can type in how many of each NFT you have, and it'll tell you what your portfolio is worth. So please come and get some value out of these tools. I'll put a lot of effort into them. Go ahead and take a peek. I'll get some data updated on there eventually here. Like I said, I just woke up, so I'm not doing it right now. Next, we got Reddit. Let's back up to yesterday. So this was yesterday. We're going to kind of go through these posts, and then we're going to kind of come backwards to go to another post, I think. First, we got exotic ad selling gems, no fraud, kids. This guy's selling gems. Another post saying, quit no whirl later, trade gems for cash. This guy's also trying to do that. I mean, you guys can reach out on Reddit. Might want to check out Discord, though. Um, we got a post here from Show84. How much will the loot box be tomorrow? I think they're going to be $13 a piece, my friend. Next, we got a post from Fortnite Grinder saying, But Thompson is the GOAT. Shout out to my homie. Let's go. Next, we got granolas. We're going to come back to this one. Um, oh, wait, no. This is a different post. No. This is granolas explaining classification series sets. So check out this post if you need any tips on just some general information about the Veve set or the Veve app. Uh. Next post, we've got heavy focus. But how do you always stay hot, hype and positive? You're a great guy, and we appreciate you in the community. From my homie Heavy Focus. To be honest with you, I'm just happy to be alive, man. That's honestly the truth. That's honestly the truth. Next, we got our homie Granola for some Granola Day blind box tips and tricks. We're gonna come to that one in a moment. Last but not least, we got Dude Dash 68 saying when drop, and it's gonna be today at 10 a.m. 2 hours from now. All right, so let's go ahead and pull up Granola's post here. Okay, nice short post here. I should be able to get through this pretty quick. All right, so let's go through this, guys. This is going to be from our homie Granola Warfare. He's my homie. These are some tips and tricks for the blind box day that we know of today. I don't really know if there's really that many tips, but let's go through them. You are making a blind purchase. This means you will not know what item you have purchased until you confirm the purchase. There is one item per box. There is one purchase allowed at a time. There is no purchase limits and no group sales. Each box is completely random and there's no order to the items being purchased There's no order to the items being purchased. All right, next let's go through some tips, network tips. Make sure that your router/modem is running at optimal strength by simply resetting the router modem itself. This can help clean up any kind of bad data, kind of cache. And then for a pro tip, we've got to consider a temporary ban on your internet usage during the drop. The drop is going to probably take, this drop might be a little bit longer than usual, but it's going to be pretty short. So if you wanted to put a quick ban on your internet so that you can kind of guarantee that you have the clearest internet possible, that's certainly something you can consider. Next, we've got the device tips. Restart your phone/device to make sure that it's running fresh from a start and has full battery charge. Very good tips. And then for pro tips, we got to improve your connection speed, you can purchase an Ethernet adapter for your phone. This will allow you to basically hardwire your phone directly into the internet. Next, we've got some in-app tips. Make sure that you have your gem or your wallet pre-filled with gems to make the purchasing process faster. Pro tip, If loading in the app is taking longer than expected, try switching between apps, but do not close your app. Next, make sure to give yourself plenty of time to log in to the app. Sorry about the yawns, guys. I'm just kind of a little bit tired. But next, here are the tips for purchasing blind box drops. First is going to be, let's just go through the basic tips and then the pro tips. Basic tips. You will need to access the blind box buy now button from the series screen, not the actual NFT screen. This is the screen that shows you the collectibles from a specific series. Matter of fact, let's just kind of quickly show you guys what that means, I think. What I think that means. Let me just get Veve loaded here. Okay, so from the Veve, just kind of homepage, I think that you access the drop from this page right here. Just right on here. I think this is it. There's also a couple of other ways to get here. If you pull up the actual NFTs themselves, let's pull one of them up. So here's the red skull guy. If you pull that one up and then scroll down, there's like a button you can click right here. That'll take you to the page where the drop is happening, and it takes you here. So I don't know if this helps out at all. There are a couple of ways to get to this page in particular, though, so I'm wondering if maybe some of them might be quicker than others. Like the homepage one might be a little bit slower than maybe this one I'm looking at right here. I'm going to sneeze. And so I'm just saying, like, maybe if you guys can access that page from a couple of other places, maybe you'll have better luck. Next tip is going to be from our homie. A countdown timer on the series screen will appear. When it reaches 0, the screen will auto refresh and the buy now button will be available. So it should be on that page, this page. This page should be the one that's refreshing, is what they're talking about. After successfully reserving, the collectible users will have 90 seconds to complete a captcha puzzle if they need to. Sometimes if you've completed a captcha puzzle recently in the past, it will not require you to do that. Using the app switcher trick, moments before the drop is live will help sync the refresh the app timer, providing the best possible chance for at being on time. If a blind box sells out, wait a few seconds and continue back in and out to see if somebody maybe pops one back onto the market. Randomize your purchasing. This isn't necessarily about quick buys. It's a game of chance. Collectibles are randomly selected each purchase, and there are more commons than ultra rares. Try waiting an extra second or two to space out your purchases. Next, we got purchasing your collectible tips, and that's all we've got for today, the basic tips. If you leave the screen before you complete the captcha puzzle, you'll have 90 seconds to return. Otherwise, the NFT is going back. If your gems were deducted from your account but you do not see the NFT, it's being minted. It might take several minutes to an hour to appear in your collection. Your blind box items will arrive unboxed. After you confirm your purchase, you should know which collectible you have as soon as you get them in your collectibles. Pro tip, after completing the captcha puzzle and confirm your purchase, to save additional time, you can exit the process to your next purchase before the green truck appears. Usually you can kind of like wait till the gems deduct, and usually you're good at that point. And that's all the tips we have for you guys today. Shout out to our homie Granola Warfare. And that's all the Reddit I think we have for today too. So let's close that out. Last but not least, we've got Omi's price trading at 0.002695. Omi can be your homie. I'm not going to be your dad. And nothing in this video is financial advice, everybody. And that's all I've got for you guys today. Have a fantastic Saturday, guys. Kind of started the weekend yesterday, continuing on today. I hope you guys start your weekend, continue your weekend on. I'll probably I might make another video later on just because. Then we can kind of cover some prices and stuff like that. And maybe I'll actually have some pricing update for you guys. With that being said, good luck to everybody on the drop that is participating in the drop today. I'm going to try to get maybe 4 to 6 blind boxes. I'm still kind of on the fence about it. And I hope to get some good luck and bring to you guys some good news once we get those. Have a fantastic day. Peace.